Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, technology.
Technology is everywhere and it's a part of our daily lives. Talking about it in English is essential for work, school, and everyday conversations.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to describe devices, explain how you use them, and talk about your opinions on technology. Let's get started. First, let's define technology. It refers to tools, devices, or systems created to solve problems or make life easier.
Examples of technology include computers and smartphones, the internet and apps, machines like cars and washing machines.
Can you think of any examples of technology that you use every day, Alex?
Sure. I use my smartphone to check emails and watch videos. Now, let's learn some basic vocabulary related to technology. Devices: smartphone ***, a phone with internet and apps. Laptop ***, a portable computer. Tablet ***, a device bigger than a phone but smaller than a laptop. Smartwatch ***, a watch with smart features like fitness tracking. Headphones ***, for listening to music. Internet and software. App ***, a software application. Social media ***, websites like Facebook or Instagram. Search engine ***, tools like Google to find information online. Actions: download ***, to save a file from the internet. Upload ***, to send a file to the internet. Stream ***, to watch or listen online without downloading. Update ***, to install the latest version of software.
Let's practice a sentence. Alex, what's your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube. I use it to watch educational videos.
When describing a device, start with its basic features. Common phrases. I use it for.
Examples: ***, I have a smartphone. It's an iPhone. I use it for calling and texting. ***, I use my laptop for work and studying.
Let's describe a device together. Alex, can you describe your laptop?
Sure. I have a laptop. It's small and lightweight. I use it to browse the internet and watch movies.
The internet is a huge part of technology. Here are phrases to talk about it. Common phrases. I use the internet to. I go online to. I spend time on.
Examples: I use the internet to check the news. I go online to connect with friends on social media. I spend time on YouTube watching tutorials.
What about you, Alex? How do you use the internet?
I use the internet to learn new things like languages and technology.
Let's practice giving opinions about technology. Useful phrases. I think technology is. In my opinion, technology helps us.
Examples: I think technology is amazing because it makes life easier. In my opinion, too much screen time is bad for your health. Technology helps us stay connected with friends and family.
What do you think about smartphones, Alex?
I think smartphones are useful, but people should use them carefully.
Every topic has two sides. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of technology. Advantages. It saves time. It helps us communicate. It provides access to information. Disadvantages. It can be addictive. It may reduce face-to-face communication. It can be expensive.
Example: one advantage of technology is that it helps people learn new skills. One disadvantage is that it can cause distractions.
Think about both sides when you discuss technology.
Here are some questions you can ask. Do you use technology every day? What's your favorite device? How do you feel about social media?
Example dialogue.
Do you use technology every day, Emma?
Yes, I use my laptop and smartphone every day. What about you?
Same here. I also use my smartwatch to track my steps.
The future of technology is exciting. Let's talk about it. Common phrases. In the future, I think technology will. It might.
Examples: in the future, I think cars will drive themselves. Technology will improve healthcare. It might make education more accessible.
What do you think about the future of technology, Alex?
I think it will make life even easier, but we'll need to be careful about privacy.
Alex, what's your favorite piece of technology?
My smartphone. I use it every day for almost everything. What about you?
I love my laptop. It helps me work and study. Do you use any apps regularly?
Yes, I use language learning apps. They're very helpful. That's all for today. We hope you feel more confident talking about technology in English.
Don't forget to practice these phrases and use them in your daily conversations.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics. See you next time.